I bet you didn't know how crucial precision is in the world of manufacturing. It all begins with raw materials, transformed into the essentials of our daily lives. Picture the cars we drive, the planes we fly in, the medical devices that save lives, and the electronics we rely on. At the heart of this transformation are two critical elements: precision and efficiency. Precision ensures that every part meets exact specifications, no matter how intricate. Efficiency, on the other hand, is about maximizing output while minimizing waste. Together they create high-quality products, reduce costs, and satisfy consumer demands. Manufacturers are always on the lookout for ways to enhance these two pillars. Enter computer-aided machining, or CAM, a game-changer in the industry. CAM technology revolutionizes manufacturing with its precision, speed, and automation. It allows manufacturers to craft complex parts with exactness, use materials wisely, and streamline their production processes. I bet you didn't know how computer-aided machining is revolutionizing manufacturing. Imagine a world where the precision of manufacturing is no longer bound by human limitations. This is the realm of computer-aided machining, or CAM, a technology that harnesses the power of computer software to control machine tools with unparalleled accuracy. In the past, machinists relied on their skill and experience to manually shape and create parts. But now, CAM has revolutionized this process, automating the creation of toolpaths and instructions for machines to follow. This leap in technology has brought about a new era of speed, accuracy, and repeatability in machining operations. At the heart of this transformation lies computer-aided design, or CAD. With CAD software, engineers and designers can bring their visions to life, crafting detailed digital models of the parts or products they imagine. These digital blueprints, often rendered in 3 dimensions, become the foundation for CAM systems. The CAM software then takes these intricate designs and translates them into precise instructions, guiding machine tools to cut, shape, and finish the physical parts with exacting detail. The integration of CAD and CAM is seamless, creating a powerful synergy that streamlines the entire manufacturing process. When design changes are made in the CAD model, they are automatically reflected in the CAM program, eliminating the need for manual adjustments and minimizing the risk of errors. This interconnectedness between design and production is the key to achieving optimal efficiency, ensuring that the final product aligns perfectly with the original design intent. I bet you didn't know how seamlessly design and production can be integrated. Thanks to the integration of CAD and CAM, this world is now a reality. Picture digital designs seamlessly transforming into physical parts with unmatched precision. CAD models act as digital prototypes, allowing for virtual testing and refinement. Then, CAM software takes over, translating these designs into precise manufacturing instructions, saving time and reducing human error. You need to hear this if you're in manufacturing. Imagine a bustling factory floor, where the hum of CNC machines fills the air, and machinists deftly navigate sophisticated CAM software. This is the heart of modern manufacturing, where efficiency and accuracy are unleashed. At the core of this transformation is computer-aided machining, or CAM. It's a game-changer, automating the machining process and bringing a host of benefits that revolutionize productivity, precision, and profitability. Picture this: CAM software generating precise toolpaths and instructions for CNC machines, eliminating the need for manual programming. This means less reliance on skilled labor and more consistent results. The automation speeds up production times and ensures accuracy and repeatability, no matter who is operating the machine. But that's not all. CAM also excels at optimizing material usage. Imagine analyzing the geometry of a part and generating toolpaths that minimize waste. This is especially crucial when working with expensive materials. Even small reductions in waste can lead to significant cost savings, making CAM an invaluable tool in the manufacturing process. And there's more. CAM opens the door to creating highly complex parts that would be nearly impossible to produce manually. With the ability to program intricate toolpaths and control multiple axes, CAM systems can craft parts with intricate geometries, tight tolerances, and smooth finishes. This is the future of manufacturing, where efficiency and accuracy are truly unleashed. What's something people don't know about computer-aided machining? It's the seamless integration of software and machinery that makes it all possible. At the heart of this transformation lies the seamless dance between sophisticated software and advanced machinery. Picture CAM software as the mastermind, orchestrating every move. It empowers programmers to craft, simulate, and refine toolpaths for CNC machines. With CAD integration, 3D models flow effortlessly into the system. Toolpath generation then fine-tunes the machining process. Machine simulation steps in to prevent collisions and perfect cutting parameters. Post-processing translates these paths into machine-specific code. CNC machines then bring these instructions to life with unparalleled precision. Guided by precision motors, they maneuver cutting tools across multiple axes. The spindle motor spins the cutting tool at incredible speeds. Tool changers seamlessly switch tools, keeping the process smooth, and coolant systems work tirelessly to reduce heat and friction, extending tool life and enhancing surface finish. This is going to blow your mind. Imagine a world where the most intricate parts are crafted with unparalleled precision and efficiency. This is the magic of computer-aided machining, or CAM. Picture the aerospace industry, where every component must meet exacting standards. CAM makes this possible, producing parts that keep planes soaring safely. In the automotive world, CAM ensures that vehicles run smoothly and efficiently, from the engine to the smallest bolt. And in the medical field, CAM's precision is a lifesaver, crafting devices that improve and save lives. From aircraft parts to medical devices, CAM's precision is unmatched. Why are there not more people talking about the incredible future of computer-aided machining driven by AI and IoT? Picture a smart factory where the Internet of Things and other groundbreaking technologies come together to revolutionize CAM. These innovations promise to elevate automation, efficiency, and intelligence in manufacturing to unprecedented heights. Envision AI-powered CAM systems that can sift through vast amounts of data from machine sensors, historical production records, and material properties. These systems, armed with machine learning algorithms, can detect patterns, fine-tune machining parameters, and even foresee potential issues before they arise. The Internet of Things is crafting a new era of interconnected factories where machines, sensors, and devices communicate seamlessly in real time. This connectivity enables real-time monitoring of machine performance, predictive maintenance, and automated adjustments to production processes as conditions change. On the horizon, we see hybrid machining, blending additive manufacturing or 3D printing, with traditional subtractive methods to craft intricate parts with complex internal features. Multi-axis machining, with its 5 or more axes of motion, is set to produce highly complex parts with fewer setups and shorter lead times. And with cloud-based CAM, imagine accessing your software and data from anywhere, fostering collaboration and enabling remote monitoring of manufacturing processes. The future of CAM is not just a vision, it's unfolding before our eyes. I bet you didn't know how crucial precision and efficiency are in the world of manufacturing. This journey through computer-aided machining has shown us just how vital these elements are in the realm of manufacturing. Picture a bustling factory floor, where manufacturers race against time to deliver top-notch products at competitive prices, all while meeting tight deadlines. Precision is the hero here, ensuring every part is crafted to exact specifications, reducing the risk of defects, rework, and failures. In industries like aerospace, medical, and automotive, even the slightest deviation can spell disaster. Precision is not just a goal, it's a necessity. And then there's efficiency, the silent partner that optimizes resources, time, materials, and labor, to keep everything running smoothly. By streamlining processes, cutting down on waste, and minimizing downtime, manufacturers can boost output, slash costs, and enhance their bottom line. Enter CAM, the game changer that marries precision with efficiency, revolutionizing the manufacturing landscape. By automating toolpaths, optimizing material use, and enabling the creation of intricate designs, CAM empowers manufacturers to rise to the challenges of today's market. Why are there not more people talking about the revolutionary impact of computer-aided machining, or CAM, on manufacturing? Imagine a world where manufacturing is driven by precision, efficiency, and automation. This is the reality that CAM has brought to life. Picture the aerospace and automotive sectors, the medical field, and consumer electronics, all transformed by the power of CAM. These industries now thrive on the cutting edge thanks to this indispensable technology. With sophisticated software and advanced machinery, manufacturers can now create complex parts with tight tolerances and intricate geometries. achieving smooth surface finishes that were once unimaginable. Envision automated toolpaths, optimized material usage, and a reduced need for skilled labor. This has led to a significant boost in productivity, shorter lead times, and lower production costs. As technology continues to evolve, the future of CAM holds even more thrilling advancements. Imagine a world where artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, and other emerging technologies further enhance CAM's capabilities, leading to unprecedented levels of automation, intelligence, and connectivity in manufacturing. Embracing CAM is no longer a choice but a necessity for manufacturers who wish to thrive in the future. By harnessing this transformative technology, manufacturers can unlock new levels of precision, efficiency, and innovation, paving the way for a future where the only limit is our imagination. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Stay tuned for more insights into the future of manufacturing.